we are getting there. 1914 dresser. You can see the condition it was in at one point in time. It was pretty rough. We are currently restoring it, so we're going to sand all the old off and put a new coat of Benjamin Moore black iron on it, which looks pretty good. Then we'll distress the black iron to show the detail of what once was in 1914. And the original thought was to actually take the dresser apart and replace that board with the hole in it. Now I'm thinking maybe I'll leave it. You can't see it anyway, so anyway, it looks pretty good. It's gonna be a nice project once it's done. Here you have the dresser drawers for the 1914 dresser. You can see the front of them have been painted with the Benjamin Moore black iron paint. The bottoms were in pretty rough shape. They had to be completely replaced, so I decided to replace them with oak. They look pretty good. The entire bottom inside out dresser drawers have been stained with Old Masters wiping stain, special walnut and dark walnut, to try to match color as closely as possible. But overall they look pretty good. There you can see the mirror for the 1914 dresser, and on the back of the mirror it does say made in 1914, so that's pretty neat. And here you have the mirror trim and a back for the mirror. The back was in really rough shape also, so it had to be replaced. I had to actually cut that out, but it's all been painted with Benjamin Moore black iron paint.